Alright, so let's look at the equation of a slanted line. And the reason I say specifically a slanted line is because vertical and horizontal lines have equations of x equals a number and y equals a number. Alright, so these equations are very simple. We're not going to look at vertical and horizontal lines in this video. We're looking at slanted lines. A slanted line has an equation that looks like this. It's called slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept. And the variables here are y and x, meaning you can plug any number of things into this equation for y and x. The constants, the things that do not change, are the m and the b. Okay, so our job when we want to find the equation of a line is to find the m value and the b. So our goal, find m and b. M is the slope of the line, and b gives us the y-intercept. Now we're not really usually interested in the y-intercept necessarily, but it just happens to be that this constant b is helps us get the y-intercept, okay? So if we want to find m and b, we need, well, okay, so anytime you want to solve this equation y equals mx plus b, we need 3 of the 4 pieces. 3 of the 4, let's not say variables. Let's say 3 of the 4 pieces, okay? Meaning we need 3 of y, m, x, or b. We need 3 of those. Okay, so let's take a look at an example. So we want to find an equation for the line that has a slope of -2 and passes through the point, the ordered pair 1, 7. And what we need to realize is that when they tell us the slope, they're telling us m, and when they're telling us an ordered pair, they're telling us an x and a y. Now a line passes through an infinite number of ordered pairs, right? 1, 7 happens to be one of them. So that means m equals -2, x equals 1, and y equals 7 should make the equation of this line a true statement. So in other words, should make y equals mx plus b true. So we plug those values into the equation, and that gives us 7 equals -2 times 1 plus b. And if this is going to be true, then I can solve this equation for the only remaining unknown, b. So this is -2. -2 times 1 is -2. So I'll add 2, and I'll see that 9 is b. So the equation of this line is y equals mx plus b. Y and x are variables. M and b are constants. They don't change, so the slope is still -2, and the b value is going to be 9. So y equals -2x plus 9 is the equation of the line that's described here. And you can check that the ordered pair 1, 7 makes this equation a true statement. But you can also check that other points, other ordered pairs, make this equation a true statement as well. That's why y and x are allowed to change. They're variables. But the slope and the b, the y-intercept, do not change. They're always constant no matter what point you look at.